Your skin is like a superhero, but even superheroes need a little sidekick to keep them going strong. So today, I'm here to spill the beans on 6 easy-peasy skin tips that every guy should know. But before we jump into that, let's take a quick peek under the hood and learn a bit about your skin. It's like a 3-layered sandwich. The top slice is called the epidermis. Then there's the juicy middle layer called the dermis. And finally, we've got the bottom bun, also known as the hypodermis. Each layer has its job to keep your skin happy and healthy. The epidermis is your bodyguard, protecting you from the sun and dirt. The dermis is like the boss, in charge of your hair and sweat. And the hypodermis? Well, it's like the cozy pillow that keeps everything comfy. Now let's get to the fun part and uncover all the cool skin secrets, starting with the epidermis. Tip number 1, choose the right exfoliant. Your epidermis layer naturally gets rid of dead skin cells, but sometimes they can build up, causing problems like dry skin, acne, and ingrown hairs. And if these issues aren't treated properly with the right exfoliant, they can cause damage and leave scars on your skin forever. So here's how you avoid that. First, grab yourself a chemical exfoliant, which is gentler and better for your skin. If you have dry or sun-damaged skin, you want an exfoliant that has hyaluronic acid to help repair the damage. If you have acne-prone or oily skin, opt for a beta-hydroxy acid exfoliant, or BHA, as this will penetrate deeper and balance your oil glands. No matter what exfoliant you use, these are the right steps to use it. Apply a pea-sized amount, then gently massage it onto your damp face, moving upwards and counterclockwise in circular motions. This will activate your lymphatic system to increase blood and oxygen supply. You'll do this for seconds and then rinse off. Experts suggest that you should only exfoliate once a week. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you can exfoliate up to 3 times a week. Recommended product, Neutrogena Hydro Boost, exfoliating cleanser for dry or sun-damaged skin, or Paula's Choice Skin. Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant for acne-prone or oily skin. Tip number 2, supplement with tronoid. The epidermis also helps produce melanin, which helps determine your skin color and tone. The best part is that you can optimize this process for healthier looking skin and decrease signs of aging using tronoid, a substance derived from vitamin A. In a comprehensive overview published by the National Library of Medicine, they analyzed individual studies on tronoid. These studies covered various groups of people, dosages, and even treatment durations. The results were conclusive. Tronoid was found to be a safe and effective long-term treatment for protecting the epidermis, maintaining healthy skin, and treating acne. So far, we've covered the skin layer everyone sees, which is the epidermis. This is what everyone teaches you, but if you want beautiful skin, you'll have to go a level deeper into the dermis layer. Recommended product, the ordinary Granactive Retinoid, 2% emulsion or Differin Adapalene Gel 0.1% acne treatment. Tip number 3, protect your proteoglycans. Oil glands in the dermis layer of your skin help keep it soft and smooth. However, as you age, you start to produce less oil, which in turn reduces the amount of proteoglycans in your skin. This process can begin as early as years old. Proteoglycans are compounds that are made of proteins like collagen that help maintain your skin's hydration and elasticity, which ultimately prevents wrinkles. So here are 3 steps to take care of your proteoglycans. First, increase the intake of vitamin C, both through what you eat and your skin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties that help produce more collagen. This, in turn, aids in maintaining your proteoglycans. Studies suggest that you should aim for mg of vitamin C per day to achieve this. The second step is to increase the amount of vitamin E in your routine. Vitamin E also has antioxidant properties. These help protect your skin against UV radiation. It's also a humectant and an emollient, meaning it helps your skin absorb and retain water. This will keep your proteoglycans hydrated and lubricated. You can purchase a separate vitamin E. However, the serum that I use also contains vitamin E, and it's simple to use. You only have to apply 3 to 4 pumps right after washing your face. And the third piece of the puzzle is to apply ferulic acid. Vitamin C and E alone aren't enough because they are unstable and sensitive to visible light, heat, and air. And this is where research comes in, because it shows that when you combine vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid, it increases the effectiveness of sun protection and helps maintain the health of your proteoglycan. And yes, the serum contains all 3 because I like to be effective when it comes to skincare. You can buy individual products, but that becomes expensive. I like products that contain everything that I need, so my morning routine is streamlined, and this is what I love about it. They could sell you 3 independent products, but instead, they do their research and they find the best formula, and understand that certain products independently don't work well. Other brands would have sold you that. Recommended product, SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic or Timeless Skincare 20% vitamin C plus E ferulic acid serum. Tip number 4, supplement with hyaluronic acid. Out of the 3 layers, the dermis is the thickest layer of your skin. Hyaluronic acid acts as a cushion, filling spaces between the fibers, making your skin look fuller. It prevents wrinkles and transports nutrients into your skin cells. It also maintains skin hydration by being able to hold times its weight in water. This is what gives your skin that plump, hydrated appearance. And remember, your skin serves as a signal of your superior genetic quality. Here's how you're supposed to use hyaluronic acid to make it look its best. First, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This is the everyday face wash. Next, dampen your skin lightly with lukewarm water. This helps bind the water to your face instead of pulling moisture from deep within your skin. After that, you will apply a thin layer of hyaluronic acid to your skin. Finally, finish it off with a high-quality moisturizer to lock in the effects of the hyaluronic acid. We now have covered the top 2 layers of your skin. Let's go into the deepest layer yet. The one that everyone forgets about yet is the most important for beautiful skin, the hypodermis layer. Recommended product: the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. Tip number 5, consume more antioxidants. The hypodermis layer of your skin can't be reached by regular skincare products. To maintain the health of this layer, we need to attack it at a cellular level, starting with your consumption of antioxidants. According to experts, you need around OAC units of antioxidants every day. So to make it simple, here's a list of foods that I consume every day that have the highest concentration of antioxidants. First, dark chocolate has about OAC units for every G. Second, it's blueberries, which has around OAC units. Third, it's peanut butter, which has around units. Fourth, is coconut milk, which has around units for every M. And finally, the cheapest one, steel-cut oats, which has around units for every G. But really, to take it to the next level, I don't eat these independently. Instead, I make a shake that I consume every night as part of my nightly routine. Also, it makes my skin look amazing. Recommended product: Nature's Bounty Vitamin C plus zinc or Garden of Life vitamin code raw antioxidants. Tip number 6, change what you eat to improve your gut bio. The foods you eat play a crucial role in your body's ability to regulate your skin through what is known as the gut-skin axis. Most people tend to eat one of 2 ways, not realizing that one way could be damaging their skin. The first method involves eating multiple times throughout the day. You eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then snacks whenever you're hungry. However, doing so prevents your body from producing the necessary bacteria needed to break down your food, break down toxins, and absorb nutrients. This, in turn, affects the overall health of your body and, unfortunately, also how your skin looks. The second approach involves intermittent fasting, where you fast for a prolonged period. Your body starts producing more anaerobic bacteria, which is responsible for powerful anti-aging effects. You want to start fasting for hours a day. Your new eating window should only be hours. For example, you can start eating in the afternoon, and your last meal should be at night. And for those that are truly committed to having the best skin possible, you could reduce this down to an hour window, where you will fast hours a day. By doing so, you will trigger something called autophagy, which is the process of cellular regeneration, helping your skin renew faster than the days I first stated. And that is how you treat all 3 layers of your skin, so you can help it regenerate faster and have the best looking skin you've ever had. If you're interested in learning more about skincare, keep an eye out for our next video. We'll be sharing more helpful tips to help you look after your skin better. See you there!